Hello, teachers, and welcome back to video number 4 of Draft and Craft with SDG 5, that is gender equality. This is me, your host, Sulbha Shantwan, who is the Learning Design Specialist for AmplifiU, with my friend.
Hello everyone, I am Paras. I am founder of AmplifiU and I am a design thinking specialist. So we are back with our Draft and Craft series where we interactively create videos on teachers' request. And we are still continuing with SDG 5 gender equality for grade 3. And over to you, Silva. We will walk you through what we did in the last time and we'll
Yes.
take this session forward.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, Paras. So, till now, what we've seen was simply creating a project document and then adding a couple of enhancements. So, in the first video, we have seen how we've created the project. In the next, we saw how we could add a video and images. In the third one, we saw that, how we can fill in the gaps that are there in the document, meaning you can edit it, you can add few activities, you can basically interact with the AMP tool that is there and do it. So today we plan to enhance it even further because as you know that every lesson has to end with an assessment or some kind of a matrix to see whether the kids have understood it. So Paras, I was thinking that should we create like an assessment today?
What about MCQs?
Yeah, it's grade 3. So I think MCQs fill in the blanks, like simple checkpoints, right? These are simple checkpoints to see how much they've understood from the concept. So yeah, let's create an assessment of 5 MCQs maybe and 5 fill in the blanks.
Yeah.
One more thing. Can we also have an opinion-based question? What
That's a
is their
great.
takeaway?
The topic is very good, very interesting, and
Hmm.
sensitive, and needs a lot of critical thinking and reflection. So I think
Yes.
opinion based question would be
Or a
really
reflective
help.
question. Like,
Reflective
you
question,
know,
yeah.
yeah, like did this project in any way, even the smallest way, change their mindset about gender equality? Did they break any stereotypes that were there in their head? Like we all have biases, don't we? So
Absolutely, yeah.
let's see if we can have a reflection question at the end. That would be great.
Okay. So let's ask AMP. So to call AMP, you just have to press a space bar on a new line, and then AMP is available. I will
Yeah.
ask AMP to create 5 MCQs based questions and 3 fill in the blank and 1 reflection based question.
Reflection question.
Mhm.
Yes.
And do you want to include any other things like match the following, sequencing, true, false, or anything else?
Assertion reasoning can be a good idea.
Yeah, so maybe let's make it 2 fill in the blanks and 2 assertion reasoning.
To assertion reasoning. Yeah.
Let's control enter or command enter if you're on Mac. First one is really interesting.
Yeah.
And you know what? You can also create competency-based questions, case study questions, even harder level questions as well.
Yeah, so basically, if you all go ahead in the document, teachers, you all will see that we also have a section on differentiation specifically for students who are differently abled, neurodivergent kids. You can tweak it as per your classroom scenario and use this function because differentiated learning is very much covered in the very first draft that we create. So you can also pick up examples from there.
Look at the reflection-based questions. Think about a time when you saw someone being left out because they were a boy or a girl. How did it make you feel? What could you do next time to make sure everyone is included? This is fantastic because I see these kind of scenarios happen in on the sports field, in a
Yeah.
playground, even in the classroom when a teacher assigns some activities, kids form some groups, and some kid might feel left out. So these scenarios
Yeah.
are common one for that kids go through.
Like we so generally also use this kind of statements, right? That, hey, you can't do this because you're a girl, right? Or girls can't drive, like
Mm.
simply, right? They just want to tease each other. So I think it is high time that we as educators need to start breaking these kind of stereotypes. And these kind of activities really help us to, do it in a very gentle way.
Mm.
Yeah, wonderful. I'm loving this.
Okay.
And also now that we have all of this, definitely we need a rubric
Mhm.
for the teacher so that it actually we can go and review the previous one and make changes in that as well. We have a rubric created, I think, at the very beginning, right?
Yes, this is for the project. Yes.
Do you think you want to make changes in this, Paris? Because we changed a couple of activities,
Mhm.
we added a couple of things. So do you think our AMP will be able to change this rubric as per the new additions that we have?
We can ask M to revise the grading rubric. Let's see what
Let's
M
see.
comes up with. No,
Exactly.
it may or may not, but again, let's give it a go.
Yeah,
So
why
the
not?
whole idea of playing with AI, experimenting with AI is that give it a go and see whether it works for you or not. So review the grading rubric and revise based on the changes we have made to the project. Yeah, first one is participation in activities is fine. Second is
It
understanding of
did
gender
take fishbowl
equality.
activity.
Yep. So it was not included in the first rubric, but now it has included. So let's keep and let's compare. So revised grading rubric for equality here in day-to-day life project, fishbowl activities, activities and reflection. Everything has been incorporated now. So now the grading rubric is much more comprehensive
Yes.
and it has captured all the edits that you have made.
Yeah. So teachers, y'all don't need to worry if y'all are going to make changes in your document because you saw, right? You can just put one simple prompt and it will redo the entire rubric structure for you based on the changes that you are going to incorporate into the document. So remember, keep drafting and crafting because that is what you are supposed to do.
Absolutely. So one thing now we have got two rubrics. You don't need the first one. You just select this one and delete.
Delete.
It's gone.
This is so good. So teachers, this was us telling you about the last bit of this project that was assessment. In the next video, we are going to tell you how you can bring this into your classroom actually by exporting the functions. So we will see you in the next video.
Keep drafting and keep crafting. Bye bye.